Okay, this video concerns run sheets and site visits. Now we're going to create a run sheet. Admin, bulk process. Here we want to add the date. You can choose 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, 1 month. I suggest we choose for now 1 day at a time and then go weekly and then see how we go. Change that, save that record and hit the run bulk process button. Depending how many, that was fast because we only did 1 day, but if you'd done a week it would take 7 times longer. Close that, come back to workflow. Okay, let's check the run sheets we have just created, which is for the 28th of March. Open a run sheet, everything looks fine. Mouse over a site visit, open the site visit, give it a double check. Dion has a process where he has to move the site visits to another run sheet. We can do that here. Edit, click on the run sheet and change it, save it, close, refresh, and you'll see the site visit has gone. And open the run sheet and you see that site visit is on the new run sheet. I'll just move it back. Edit, select the run sheet, save, close, refresh the run sheet to make sure it's gone. Okay, now we're going to add a ad hoc site visit, one that's just popped up in the middle of the day. Open the run sheet, click on site visit, add the site, add the product, which is optional, click save, whoops, add the waste unit type. Note that the red asterisk means it's compulsory, and also note that on save it's added the vehicle tar and the unit tar. This indicates that you guys have to go back and finish that work. And now we've added a site visit. Now we're going to cancel a site visit. Click on the site visit, hit the delete button, and the site visit has been cancelled. We don't want to delete site visits at this stage because we want an audit trail of things that have happened. Hit the refresh button and you'll see that it's cancelled. Now we want to delete the entire run sheet. Actions, delete. And we get this error message, which I'm going to read out. The run sheet cannot be deleted as it has site visit records that have not been cancelled connected to it. You need to cancel the site visits first. So here's what's going on. We don't want to give you this big button that allows you to delete a whole run sheet with the possibility of accidentally deleting the site visits at the same time. So we're looking for a balance between onerous process and being efficient. And what I've settled on is that you have to cancel all the site visits first. Okay, so now we can delete the run sheet. Actions, delete. Okay, refresh the run sheet list and you'll see that it has disappeared. Okay, now that we are happy that the run sheets are correct, we can print them out. Admin reports, daily run sheet, hit the print button, add the date that you want to print them out for. You have to hit refresh. It takes about 15 to 30 seconds, but it's assembling all the data and turning it into a print format. It's doing quite a lot of work. Okay, and there is our run sheet, the one that you print out and put out in the reception area. I've settled on just making the cancelled ones red with a line through it and keeping the other ones white for readability, but we can put green in as discussed. And I've also added this. These are your dockets for the day, with some space in the bottom to add extra serendipitous pickups that may happen while the truck is out on the road. So we can, those dockets are almost impossible to read. I can't believe that you can use them. I've missed out quantity. If you like this idea, then I will make it look more like the docket. Now we export to Excel. Okay, and now that it's in Excel, you can print print this off the reception and print the dockets off for the drivers. Okay, so the dockets have come in from the drivers, and it's time to update the run sheet or the run sheets. Open one of the dockets and look at the data on the docket, and we see that there was one, and we want to enter the gross weight. And it calculates the vehicle tar weight, or adds the vehicle tar weight, the unit tar weight. Again, we have to go and put in proper data. This is showing you the importance of that. Gives us the then we have the gross weight, and then now we know what the net weight of the pickup was. This shows the importance of having the unit tar weight. Once that's done, the site visit is set to completed and the exit date is added. I'm actually going to change this, but I won't go into the detail of that just yet. And then another example, I know this isn't quite right because it's a 15mm hook, but let's pretend it isn't. We pick up 5 little buckets and we override the weight at 1500 kg. Notice everything is in kilograms, so we don't have to do any dividing by ton or anything like that. Hit save. Okay, now we've gotten rid of the vehicle tar weight and the site tar weight and the gross weight, because none of that matters. All that matters is that we picked up 5 buckets for a total net weight of 1500 kg. And in that situation, the status is also set to completed. Okay, let's just do one more for fun. Close. And okay, so let's imagine you've done that for the whole day and for the whole week, and then the final step is Petro exports this data as a report and then does her data entry into Xero. But the first next step we'll do is we'll automate that so it goes into invoicing drafts in Xero. We've got quite a lot of work to do. We've got to clean up the data is very messy. It's got to match 0, so we have to do that before we continue. But this is all ready to go in terms of automating the run sheets. Okay, good luck. We're going to start by deleting a run sheet. We open the run sheet and we hit the delete button, and you get an error message. The run sheet master cannot be deleted as it has a site visit master record. What that says is you have to delete the site visit master first. Open that, delete the site visit master, close the record, refresh, and now we can delete the run sheet master. Okay, click run sheet master again, and you'll see it's disappeared.